Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Focus bonnet when the lock is broken. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside your car, usually near the driver's footwell. Give it a firm, steady pull. Sometimes the cable might just be stiff, not completely broken. Check for any visible damage or slack in the cable itself. If the internal lever doesn't work, you'll need to access the latch from underneath. Safely raise the front of your car using a jack and secure it with stands. Look up towards the front of the engine bay to find the bonnet latch mechanism. Use a long, thin tool, like a screwdriver or a coat hanger, to carefully push or pull the release lever on the latch itself. Another approach involves trying to reach the release cable through the front grille. You might need to gently pry open a small section to gain access. If the latch feels stuck, a little penetrating oil can sometimes free it up. Remember, safety is paramount. If you're unsure or uncomfortable, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for assistance. To prevent future issues, regularly lubricate your bonnet latch and cable with a suitable grease or spray. Also, periodically inspect the release cable for any signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion, replacing it if necessary. A well-maintained system ensures smooth operation and avoids unexpected problems. For more great tips and other deals, check the description below, including a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.